Hey guys, this is Josh with Modern Real Estate. We're here at 939 Scotts Creek Court in Hickman. Love to show you. Let's go take a look. Tucked into a quiet neighborhood in Hickman, Nebraska, this is a beautiful two-story home with a partial stone front. Right when you walk into the home, you notice an open floor plan moving into the kitchen with granite countertops as well as oak cabinets. Upstairs, you have all 4 bedrooms. The master bedroom has its own bathroom, complete with double sinks. The backyard would be great for entertaining guests as it has a tree line with no homes built behind it. Thanks for taking a look. Shoot me a text or give me a call for your private showing today. Thank you.